Hey y'all, it's Jasmine, and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in making a super easy, super simple, quick, delicious s'more dip, just keep on watching. Alright, so let's go. So first we're going to start off with an 8-inch cast iron skillet. I actually got that from Walmart. And then I'm going to add in 2 extra large Hershey bars. So it pretty much comes with 16 pieces in the bar. And we're going to break it up, break them all up this way so they melt easier in the oven. All right, so now I have all of my chocolate broken up, and I'm going to add in some heavy cream, and we're going to put this in our oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Okay, and while that's in the oven, we're going to I take about 5 to 6 graham crackers, whole graham crackers, and I smash them up into crumbs. So yeah, I'm just going to smash them up really good like that. Our chocolate should be out the oven by now, and we're just going to whisk this up into a nice chocolate, creamy chocolate sauce here. And then, yeah, just like this. And then we're going to take those graham crackers and we're going to spread them on top of the chocolate. And now I'm going to add on some mini marshmallows. And you can add as many marshmallows as you like. I like to make sure mine is nice and covered. Then we're going to put this into our broiler for it only take about 2 minutes, guys. My broiler is on 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you watch that so when it come out, it look nice and toasted brown like this and not burnt. And doesn't that just look beautiful, you guys? Now, yes, so of course it's a dip. So we're going to take us some graham crackers and we're going to get dipping, I guess. So yeah, you can use really any kind of cracker or cookie you like. I like to use graham cracker because it is a s'more. And yeah, so guys, this is really delicious. I hope you enjoy. I really hope you have someone to share this with so you don't end up eating the whole pan, because I promise you it is very easy to do. So thank you guys. Make sure you like, share, and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.